Ay, mga Go.
Good day,
Good
sir.
day. Research promotion insight the impact of social media on communities.
This is our
This is our introduction.
introduction.
Introduction. As the world rapidly evolves, industry and traditions continue to adapt, reshaping themselves to meet the demands of modern life while preserving the essence of the past. Even the younger generations are changing the way they speak and styles, as well as the degree of emotional and cognitive vulnerability they are quiet, delicate as a result. Humans are inherently social creatures that needs of the other people's company to serve. Therefore, a lack of social connections might pose serious to one's mental health. Even when social connections assist reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. The great rise of social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and others during the last 10 years have significantly altered how people interact and communicate. The largest social networking site, Facebook, presently has over a billion active users, and this figure is expected to rise dramatically over time. Particularly in developing nations, Facebook is utilized for both personal and professional communication, and its utilization has produced several advantages. According to recent studies released in 2022, individuals spend an average of 161 minutes on social media each day, illustrating the global of social media. Understanding the relationship between social media screen time and well-being in one way to better understand the issue of problematic social movies. This research subject has attention and a meta-analysis indicates that there is a very little evidence of a negative correlation between social media, screen time, and well-being. Each adolescent is subject to unique dispositional, social, and situational factors that guides their social behaviors and determine its effect. Therefore, this research aims to identify what are the impacts of using social media for the growth and development of an adolescent.
Statement of the problem. Study aims to identify the impact of using social media on the mental and physical of an individual teenager. Specifically,